guys, I'm back, and today we are going to be hacking Pixelgun 3D's ammo. For this hack, you need SB Game Hacker and any root. Well, I have King Root. You could use King Root or whichever root you want. You also need to have it right here. Look. You need to have it on CB at the top and D word D. Okay, so 349. I just put those numbers at the bottom that it has right there. And a magical number called 64. Oh my God. That is just fucking things I never fucking see. Yo, but the niggas are so fucking cheap. And you're oh, that hack just worked perfectly. Did you guys see? Yeah, and also, oh, there's a new map on the game. Make a custom battle. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna create a map. Bastard 105. 1015. 1015. Let's see if anybody can make. I'm going to do a little play right here, with people joining it, and they're gonna get out of my second back. Ooh, we're facing a hacker. That's scary. See, you guys see my emos right there. 9999999. I also have a pet snake, right there. I named him Mr. Snake. This is my other gun. I don't like doing that one. This is my other gun. It's a fire-breathing dragon, look. I like this one mostly. So, let's see if anybody joins. Oh! A guy just joined the game and... What the? How did he find out the password? Are we just facing another hacker? A hacker for what the? That is so weird. Where is he? Oh, he's over there. Let's see him. I want to see him face to face. See if he really is a hacker. Or if he's just a dumb punk that decided to join my freaking game. How did he find out the password? We're facing a hacker. Oh shoot, he's shooting to me. Let's see if he knows what I'm doing here. Oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh, I killed him. So he's not a hacker in the ammo like me. He's just a hacker with the, I guess just by finding out passwords. That's weird. And have you guys seen that his name is the same as my last name in the YouTube channel? It's so weird. He is really a hacker. Good. What the? See? He just died. Someone's shooting. Where is he? Oh shoot, oh shoot. Now, where is this weirdo? Oh, my pets killed him. So... Oh shoot, he's right there. No, no, no. my god, I just died against him. Oh shoot, I'm in second place. What? Don't tell me he's gonna win me. No. Is he a hacker in credits? Cause this is dumb. Now, where is this weird kiddo? And can't find him. Get inside the carnival so I can find you. Fine. I need to find him. I'm telling him. Get inside the carnival, kid. Get inside the carnival. Get inside the carnival. Please, please, please. Get inside the carnival. Get inside the carnival. He does not want to go in here. Where is that kid? I don't even know who he is. But whoever he is really creeping me out. Oh shoot, there's only 18 seconds left in the game. No.
Come look for me.
No, I lost the game. Where could he be? Oh. No, I lost. Oh my god. See, his name's just like my other. What the? Oh. So that will be it for today, guys. And